Hello, ciao bella friends! Today we are here with our creative Yova and with the new album binding art line. Each album binding set is composed by 3 smooth shape pages, like this, and 2 special card pages, as you can see. Each page is designed to bind with rings or ribbons, but you are also free to create album with a classic binding, like this project made by Yova with a collateral rust paper collection. She used the card page as a cover for her album. And the second card page as an internal decorative element. Yova didn't choose rings, she made the classic scrapbook binding. For each design, you can also find sets with additional smooth shape pages. In this way, you can decide the number of pages for your project, or you can add pages over time. Look at this one, 3 shape pages and 2 main cards, inspired by Start Arranging paper collection. I can complete my project using the set, or I can decide to add the smooth pages set. You can choose among many different designs. Here, for example, an amazing birdcage and a romantic detailed decoration. We've got brand set too. Material is very resistant. In this way, every page can become the perfect base for a mixed media project using colors, pastes, and your favorite techniques. This is one of Yova's favorite sets. It is dedicated to my first year collection, the right design for a baby album. So, if you want to know more about this line, you can visit our official website, ciaobellapaper.com. Thanks for your attention, and we wish you a great creative day.